In this video we are going to tell you how to get rid of termites, by use of bait stations, liquid treatments, fumigation and extra tips. Termites are small insects that feed on wood, causing damage to homes and buildings. These pests can cause serious damage to the structure of a building, making it important to get rid of them as soon as possible. In this video, we will discuss some effective ways to get rid of termites. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. The first step in getting rid of termites is to identify the problem. Termites are small insects with white or creamy colored bodies. They can be found in damp or humid areas, such as basements, crawl spaces, and near leaky pipes. Identifying the problem will help you choose the most effective method to get rid of them. Bait stations can be an effective way to get rid of termites. Place the bait stations in areas where termites are likely to be, such as near the foundation of your home. The bait will attract the termites, which will then take it back to their colony, killing the entire colony. Liquid treatments can be an effective way to get rid of termites. The treatment is applied to the soil around the foundation of your home, creating a barrier that termites cannot cross. The treatment will also kill any termites that come into contact with it. Fumigation is a more drastic measure for getting rid of termites. This method involves sealing your home and using a gas to kill the termites. Fumigation is usually only necessary in severe cases where other methods have failed. To prevent future infestations, it is important to maintain your home. Fix any leaks or moisture problems that can attract termites. Keep firewood and other wooden materials away from your home. Regularly inspect your home for signs of termite damage, such as mud tubes or hollowed-out wood. If you are unsure how to get rid of termites or if the infestation is severe, seek professional help. A pest control company can provide effective treatment options and help prevent future infestations. Getting rid of termites requires a combination of prevention and control methods. Using bait stations, liquid treatments, or fumigation can effectively eliminate termites. Maintaining your home and seeking professional help can also prevent future infestations. By following these steps, you can effectively get rid of termites and protect your home from damage. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck and see you in the next video.